The width of a rectangular dance floor is W feet. The length of the floor is 6 feet longer than its width. So which of the following expresses the perimeter in terms of W? So let us try to draw pictorially the meaning of the information given. The width is W, so this is W. The length is 6 feet longer, so this will become 6 plus W. So we are required to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So we know that perimeter is the sum of all the sides of the rectangle. So the perimeter will simply be then W plus W, because there are two widths, and 2 times 6 plus W because there are two lengths. So this becomes 2W plus 2W again plus 12 by expanding the expression. So this becomes 4W plus 12. So the perimeter is 4W plus 12, and we have expressed it in the form of a W. So let we check the answers. We see that the option number B is the correct choice. It's fairly simple. You just have to work with variables to find the perimeter of a rectangle.